Okay, it's 7 a.m. in the morning in Houston, Texas, midday in Europe, and night in Asia. I welcome everybody to first in a series of weekly webinar that we want to make sure will address and share knowledge and questions and solutions about challenges we have during this abnormal time, especially at the front line as we help care providers to find workarounds and help patient care all over around the world. This webinar is brought to you by the IFMBE Clinical Engineering Division in collaboration with World Health Organization, and we appreciate Adriana Velasquez-Berruman for the great collaboration we have during this time. Today, panelists and speakers are an excellent expert from the front line. There can be nothing better to start the series with this faculty. Tom Judd, Chair of CED, Elliot Sloan, Anwar Hussain, that is going to join us momentarily, myself, Yadin David, Ashnafi Hussain, and Muhammad Amil are all ready to go. Adriana is here, and with the great group that we have, we're going to address the first subject of the webinar, and that is oxygen. How can we make sure that we have the sources, the resources, the technology, and the integration to make sure that we can deliver that life-saving gas to our patient? We will have presentations by each of the faculty, and then we'll go to a discussion. We'll address your questions, and finally, we would like to come up with specific recommendations of things that you find useful, things that you're still challenged with, and what can we do to help you better. And with that, I'll turn to Muhammad Amil.
Thank you, Yadin. You did a wonderful job. Welcome everyone to the WHO CED COVID-19 Critical Topic webinar. Reliable and timely information regarding health technology challenges during these abnormal times. We are initiating twice weekly topic-based COVID-19 critical issues, virtual town hall broadcasts as we call it. The purpose is to provide a virtual meeting hall for identifying solutions, proven methodologies, and answer on subjects of importance for clinical engineers, biomedical engineers, technologists, technicians, health technology managers, and other stakeholders facing challenging situations where wider knowledge and expertise from successfully implemented solutions or success stories can help others. This micro-global forum sessions on COVID-19 set up by WHO, and we thank Adriana Velasquez for this. The CED division of IMB has joined forces with WHO to offer you frequent focused global conversations on key applied topics where the evidence base is shared, reviewed, and applied particularly to address LMIC emerging needs. The purpose of these microforums is to give clinical engineers the management information to pass on to senior stakeholders to showcase what solutions have worked elsewhere. I, Mohammad Amil from India, would be chairing and moderating this session along with Anwar Hussain from Bangladesh, who would be my co-chair. The LMIC presenter for today is Mr. Ashnafi Hussain from MOH Ethiopia, representing 17 countries, and he is the chair of IFMB Working Group on Africa Activities, WGAA Group. And for the format of today, as mentioned, there'll be a first initial introduction by WHO, then a presentation from a LMIC representative who's Ashnafi Hussain today, and then an open house discussion for 30 minutes, the most interesting part of today's session. And then in the last 10 minutes, we conclude and decide on the next steps on this topic. So with this, now I request my WHO colleague to take it over from here. Over to you.
Thank you very much.